Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 3 English Get Smart Plus 3 workbook on page 78. We are on module 10. This is our world. Activity 1, look and write. So we have close, far, around, planet. And this is the planet in our solar system. So it is called Uranus. So this is planet. And then we have this pet position here. So this is around. So this ball or sphere goes around these boxes here. So this box here. So we have this around. And then number 3. So the distance between these two balls or spheres is very close. So this is close, and then the opposite of close is far. So next, activity 2, listen and number 1 to 3. So later I will play this audio here. So you will need to number each monster here from 1 to 3. So number 1 we have horrid, number 2 scared, and number 3 freak. So I play this audio now.
Module 10, Workbook, Our World, Activity 2. Listen and number 1 to 3. 1.
Horrid is the tallest alien. She has got the longest hair too. She has got big ears and blue eyes.
2.
Scare is the angriest alien. He has got the longest teeth too. He's green.
3.
Freak is the shortest alien. He has got the smallest ears and the shortest legs.
So obviously this is very easy. So you just need to identify its characteristics here. So we have this monster who is the tallest, and then this is the angriest, and then we have this the shortest. So this is freak, and then we have scared, which is green in color, and then pink in color we have horrid. So activity 3, look at activity 2 and answer the questions. So number 1 already given example. So we have who has got the biggest teeth? Scare has got the biggest teeth. So number 2, so who has got the shortest legs? So obviously it is freak. So we need to write in full sentence. So freak has got the shortest legs. So remember to put full stop here. And then number 3, who has got the longest hair? So we have horrid. Double R, horrid, has got the longest hair. And number 4, who has got the smallest ears? So we have freak again. So freak has got the smallest ears. Full stop. And then number 5, who's the angriest? So obviously by looking at the face of the monsters, so we can identify scared is the angriest. So scared is the angriest. So the base word is angry, so Y replace with IEST, and then we add D in front of this adjective here. So scared is the angriest. So that's it for this page. We are on the page 78, Get Smart Plus 3 workbook. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link, you can click it, you can join it.